It's very important because if you want to grow some tomatoes, you can just sit outside and say, God, please make a tomato plant grow in my garden, and I will be very happy. And you trust, I trust God is going to make some tomatoes grow one of these days. That's one approach. But another way is that you till the ground, you add different things to the soil to make it optimal for the growing of tomatoes, and then you actually put a seed in the ground, water it, keep the other plants from drowning it out by weeding, picking the weeds, and then you grow. And so here you have an actual tomato. So there's two ways of doing it. One, you can just rely on whatever, and hopefully a bird will fly past and drop a seed. Or you can actually take steps to process and make that system happen more proactively. One does not negate the other, but you have a higher chance of success of having some tomatoes if you proactively do a few steps that would get to that point of having the tomato. But what's the objective? The objective is you want a tomato. It's not that you want to be a farmer, In the meantime, you become a farmer, and if you start identifying with, I'm a farmer, then, well, what's the big deal? What do you have to show for yourself? And it's like, well, I have this tomato. And it's like, the tomato is the objective. So that's the analogy that I'm putting forward for that.